Okay, we're coming to the end of this cycle now. So it's just like gonna drain. I think now it's just paused. Yeah, there we go. Now it's onto its final spin. Oh, is it? Yeah. Oh, it's 20 minutes for a spin. That's quite long. Unless it might cut its time, I don't know. But we'll soon find out. 21 minutes. I've got it 1200 spin. Oh, there we go. It's 10 minutes now. Okay, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna leave this video where it is now. So I'm gonna wrap it up for today with this wash. So I hope you've enjoyed the little bits of snippets. So if you want to see more contents, let me down below for like what programs you want to see on Watch It, because I can create them if you want it. I can create loads. Some you haven't even seen on YouTube. So comment any cycle and I'll try and create it for you. Definitely. Yeah. Because I'm quite clued up with this washing now, so I do create my own cycles. I've called them weird and wonderful names. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.